Hey there. Like you, I've got some challenges I'm trying to solve. I've got a shortage of techs off and on. I can't even find techs, good ones or even bad ones for that matter. And then once I have the techs, there's times during the year that I just don't have the work. I'm too slow, and so I have to send my techs home. And of course, this causes me to lose revenue, and of course, I can't make margin if I don't have revenue. So it just is a mess, just a mess. Then I discovered the Smart Tech Alliance and one of their amazing programs called SmartDIagnostics. So what did I get at the Alliance, and exactly what did SmartDIagnostics do for my business? I'll tell you what it did. Here's what I got. I have an advanced diagnostics application that works on smartphones and tablets. My techs now identify all the problems they didn't see before, and this is resulting in me getting more material margin. A great deal. So this is what I did. I gave them a try. And you can too, if you like. Go to www.smarttechalliance.com and push on the Start Free Trial button and see if it does for you what it did for me. I recommend it. And if you experience what I experienced, you're going to see just how logical it is for technicians to have the tool to go into a maintenance call or a service call and simply find all the work that the client needs you to address.